from a really long time ago. I will definitely link them if I still can find them. And I'm in corporate. So we're officially at the doctor's office. So happy Wednesday. Today's Wednesday. I'm at the park with the kids. The other part that I normally take them to with the splash pad and stuff is closed. Last week when I took them, they said Thursday was the last day for the splash pad to be open. And now when I went back, the splash pad is open, but the other side is closed. So I just took them to another park that's close by. Today I have my doctor's appointment. Health is wealth, honey. I'm officially 3 years of not being pregnant. I need to go replace my birth control because my birth control is officially expired. I made it to 3 years and not get pregnant. I feel proud of myself. Okay, so if you guys didn't know, my birth control of choice is Nexplanon. I love the longevity. I love that I don't have to go to the doctors every month. I used to get the depot shot until I got on this. So that's what we're doing today. We're going to the doctors and getting my birth control that's in my hand replaced. I already got a physical. I got a physical 3 weeks ago and everything came back good. I'm good. So now we're on to the next step, which is replacing my birth control. There goes Milani running away back there.
I was too scared to go under because there's too many spiders.
It's too many spiders?
Uh-huh.
You're scared of spiders, Papa?
I was under there.
And Papa was not feeling good yesterday. I was kind of scared. Okay, he had a fever, but he's feeling better now.
Mommy.
Yes.
I'm tired.
You tired?
Mm-hmm.
And there goes I go sweating. I think I'm gonna need Botox underneath my arms. I'm always sweating. You wanna go on the swing, Mommy?
Yeah. Yes,
So I'm gonna go play with these kids, chill out, and I'll see you when it's time to get ready to go to the doctor's office because baby's
me too.
And baby's gonna switch out with me. So baby's gonna take the kids and then I'm
Me too.
Me too. And then I'm gonna go to the doctor's office. Yeah, they look good. I'll show you guys them later. Deuces. Peace. Say peace. Say peace, Papa.
Peace.
So we're officially at the doctor's office. I gotta go pee in a cup. Anyways, yeah. So the last you guys saw me, I was doing my pee test at the doctor's office. I got my new birth control in, but my phone died. So yeah, it came out easily. They reinserted a new one very easily. Very happy. Minimal pain. The only thing that I felt was the numbing that they put in. Otherwise from that, I'm good. I feel a little bit lightheaded, but it's fine. I'm trying to get this phone to charge up a little bit so I can take back some stuff that I have from Amazon today. And I'm also uploading and scheduling content for tomorrow. So yeah, when I leave here, I will take you guys with me. So these are just the clips of me in Kohl's, and I also went to Home Goods to get the vase. I had to voice over and add music because this store had a whole bunch of music and they copyrighted my whole video. So I'm sorry. However, if you're in the business of decorating for Halloween or for fall and you need some good stuff, definitely go to Kohl's. They're also having a sale, and definitely go to Home Goods because all the stuff in Home Goods were actually really cute that I seen.
Run fast from a day. day job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a great chick, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't. Still love, and it's still love, it's still love, still love, still love it. All that I got, pieces and pages, talking a lot. Sorry, I'm faded. Think I forgot. You love me. You love me. You love me. Gotta shift at 10 a.m. Gotta dip at 10 p.m. Gotta get that cash. Won't get past the lunch break. I ain't had a smoke break in about 2.
Why am I in this people's place? Fuck. I need to stop shopping for food. I think I found one. I need a small vase. I bought one of these and my kids dropped it and broke it. I will never buy another one. That's all I can need for a face. I'm sure I'm probably gonna find other stuff to pick up in here. So I'm gonna hurry up and show you guys what I got on. My phone just started. That scared the shit out of me. But I'm gonna hurry up and show you guys what I got. First things first, home goods. I got this. It feels like it has beans in it and it's velvet. I have some velvet, I have a velvet pillowcase that I'm gonna put in the living area and it's gonna match it perfectly. I love the fact that it have beans. My kids won't break it. Love that for me. And those pillowcases that I'm talking about, I have them from last year. Well, I have one from last year. I had to buy another one on Amazon to make it cohesive for the living area. And then I got this. I'm actually going to use this as a vase and I'm going to put some artificial flowers in here for the countertop. Let me wrap this back up. And both those things from Home Goods were $9.99. So it came up to about $22. So from Kohl's is where, oh my god, these cars are. So Kohl's is where I go to return Amazon stuff, and I saw this fall wreath and I got it. It's cute for the door. I'm an individual, I don't like stuff on my door or on my floors as far as mats and stuff that says welcome or thank you or anything like that, because I don't want to welcome anybody or any negativity into my house. So I tend to keep what I put outside very minimal. I got this, it's super cute. I also saw some similar ones in Home Goods, but the ones in Home Goods had like glitter on it. But I like how minimal this is. I got this candle. It's super cute. And then I got me a salted cinnamon squirrel candle. This one is just a regular candle. This is a scented candle. And it smells really good. It smells very cozy and homey. I think I got this for $14.99 and it's 13 ounces, which I like. I like this one because it doesn't have a glass jar and I can put it down low where my kids won't mess with it or break it and I won't be mad about it. So I got that. I also got some stuff from the dollar store. So I got these. I got some pumpkins. I got this velvet silver one. I got this one. I got this leather one right here. I'm more of a fall girl more than I am a Halloween girl. So, and then I got these two shiny ones. I also got this to put at the door, but like I said, I don't like stuff like this at my door. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this one. I'll probably just stick it somewhere outside. So those are all the stuff that I got from Kohl's Home Goods. Yeah. So I'm gonna text Bay and ask for Chinese food and oh, I have something else from Amazon. What the hell? I'm trying to hide all this stuff. I like to decorate when my husband is not here, and when he comes home, he just see brand new decoration everywhere. So he can't ask me where you get the money from, how much was this, how much was that. Like none of that. He just come see a brand new house with new stuff. Pillows. I got these two queen pillow insert from Amazon and I got them at a steal. I got them at for between $17 to $19 and they're normally like $39 to $45, something like that. And I got pillows because I am about to I'm gonna redecorate the room for fall. I'm gonna redecorate the room for fall while also switching some things out. Like the light fixtures in that room, I'm gonna take out. I'm gonna put down some different flooring in our room, our master bedroom, because I hate the flooring. And if I wait on Dave to do it, he's never gonna do it. So I like stuff like that. I like to do myself. Or take the initiative and start it and he will help. Or force him to help. Yeah, it's not too firm. I like it. I also bought new decorative pillow inserts. I got the famous down pillows that you can chop because I'm redecorating the bedroom. So majority of the pillows that are on my bed right now, they're either going to be put in the living room or in the boys' room or in the girls' room, somewhere else, but I won't have them. But that's everything that I got from Amazon, Kohl's, Home Goods, and the dollar store. With that being said, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Since we're already up at the crack of dawn, let's decorate. So I think these two curtains are from Amazon. I'll definitely link them in the description box below. But I will say my favorite all-time curtain are these yellowy orange curtains that I have in the dining area. They're absolutely gorgeous. Love them. I recommend them in every color because they're gorgeous and they're worth the price for sure. So I found my old stuff from last year. I'm actually gonna reuse them, repurpose them.
Play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up. Don't let somebody so I'm next up. Be damned if I let them catch up. It's easy to see that you're fitter. I am on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fucked you over cause you let him. Fucking girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any ever. Do all I can just to show you you're special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. Lately you say he been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up skirt, get in the right. Left hand is steering, the other is gripping your thigh. Light up a spliff and get high. Shawty, you deserve what you've been missing. Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be tripping. Play this song for him, girl, just listen. Play this song for him, girl, just listen. You make me feel so primal. That's what I am. I'm just a man. Hey, girl, said he keeps on playing games, and his loving ain't the same. I don't know what to say, but what a shame. If you were mine, you would not get the same. If you were mine, you would top everything.
So I took all the previous decorations and I'm just wiping down everything. I can't really move the router and stuff, so those stay. And then this book is our family book, which I like to center everything around because majority of the time it's going to be on that table. It's never going to be moved. And then this is my little bowl that I like to put decorative items in. Most of these I showed you guys before. They're from the dollar store. And I'm also packing some old ones with the new ones that I got. I think those are from Michael's. So I'm going to use this as one of the decorative piece for this entertainment center, and I'm going to put it right at the side next to our family book. And then I'm going to put all the other decorations that I want on there, and I'm just going to decorate around those three items. I wanted to put the big orange pumpkin on that book, those three little books, but it seemed off. So I put the velvet one that I got from the dollar store, the silver one. I feel like the silver one looks better on there. And as you guys can see, I'm mixing metals, gold and silver. This little pumpkin thing is from the dollar store. You can stick it anywhere, but I chose to wrap it around the end of my beads, around my family book, because I feel like the family book was a bit blah and it needed some sprucing up. So all I'm gonna do is wrap the wire ends of this little pumpkin from the dollar store around the beads that I'm laying on top of the book. So it's a quick and simple way to spruce up what you're doing or spruce up your home. And as you guys can see, I'm mixing metals, both silver and gold. All my pillows are from Amazon, decorative pillows. And my throw blanket is also from Amazon. I'll link it below. Majority of these pillows are actually old. I think they're over a year old. If I can find them, I will definitely let you guys know. So I did the same thing, take everything off and clean. And then I'm gonna put back my base items, which is this little tray. That black pumpkin is from Target and it's from last year. And I'm just incorporating stuff that I've had from last year and the year before and new stuff together. I think that is a major way to save money and to decorate.
Suicide in the drop, switching lanes in a thing, so fire, baby, no propane. Got good pussy, girl, can I be framed? Keep it 100, girl, I ain't no saint. But he the only reason that I'm feeling this way. Giving you the word, baby, when you get space, pen gang, give me lay, baby, that's penetrate. Oh, baby.
So I don't remember where I got that spider from, and the orange pumpkin with gold on top is actually from the dollar store from last year, and that's our bar area. Now I'm gonna switch out the rugs in our kitchen. I do not recommend these rugs because they look completely different than the ones online, as you guys can see. But I didn't want to send them back because I actually like them, but I didn't love them. I wish they had come the exact same way how I saw them online. I'm gonna use some carpet tape on these rugs, and then I'm gonna lay them down like I normally do. If you have children or you have elderly person that will trip and fall, stuff like that, this is a perfect method to keep your rugs from lifting at the side or tripping you and making you fall.
Set the tone when it's just me and you alone. You're lonely in the room. Getting slowly, well, you know me. Yeah, meditate. You can take me to a place where we can't be all alone. I let you hold me, 'cause you know me. Yeah. Lay your head on my pillow. Touch is making me feel like ooh. When I get around you, I lose it. Lose it. 'Cause I feel so comfortable with you.
Mom, can I have some apple juice?
Yeah. Here.
Always good to juice.
Oh yeah. Kai, you can't jump with that on. Please don't start. So the last time you guys saw us, we were at the trampoline park. I am at home and I made a salmon bowl. If you guys don't know anything about a salmon bowl, it has been going viral on TikTok, so I made one. And this is how it looks. Oh, it looks so good. I also made the sauce, but I don't know if baby's gonna like the sauce, so I'm just gonna put the sauce on mine. But that's how it looks. So this is what I've been waiting for to redo the bedroom. I'm gonna replace that. I bought a new ceiling fan, but I've been waiting on this forever. So let me show you guys. This is Milani's area. All this toys is scattered out everywhere, every single day. and I'm tired of it. So I got something to put her toys in, and it's that right there. I'm so happy. Exactly. New ceiling fan is from Amazon. Babe, not there to help me. Look me. Do this. I hope everything fits. I hope all her toys fits in here. It came with feet to put on the bottom. Alright. Alright. So this is how it looks with the legs on it.
You know how it feels. Oh my, yeah. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, yeah. Oh my, oh my, oh my. See, let's keep it real. We both still young, so what's the rush? Tonight is young, you're not drunk enough. You'll come around if I don't do too much. We had our downs, but we had way more ups. Let's make love. That be the reason that you always hit me up. I swear, you like the way I feel cause I get buff. You told me your new man gon' make you nut. It's a damn shame. You come here, I knock your pussy out the damn frame. Remember that last time I made you miss your damn pain. Remember that last time I wet you down with champagne. Remember that? And I know I've been the worst, but I love you better. Let me, let's catch a flight, change the weather.
So my bottom sheet and top sheet are from Amazon. I absolutely love this duvet cover. Is actually a duvet cover. The brown one is absolutely amazing because I don't have to iron or steam this duvet cover. I just tuck it, make sure I tuck it really tight, and it looks absolutely amazing. These pillowcases are new. I got them for $17. I think they're still on sale for $19. I will say if you don't like soft, super soft pillows, these are not for you. But I have a medium to firm pillow, which are the brown ones already. Those are bamboo cooling ones. So I just needed something that was a little bit more soft and a little bit more accommodating. These are the inserts for the pillowcases, and the inserts and the pillowcases are from Amazon. They're the most beautiful choppable pillows that you can find on Amazon, and they're absolutely amazing. I really like them. This straw blanket, I put it on here to add some texture. It is a knit throw blanket and it's in a cream color. Also, it kind of looked like my middle pillow is white, but I promise you it's not white. It's also cream. It's the same color as the knit throw blanket. And those two orangey brown pillowcases are from last year fall decor, or 3 years ago decor, I think. And this throw blanket is also from a really long time ago. I will definitely link them if I still can find them. And I'm incorporating old and new things in my. And I promise forever. If only I could pay the bills with my love for you. We'd be just in the fucking room. Yeah. We'd be so comfortable. Girl, it's only you for me. No lie. I'll try, but the offer cannot do what I want them to be. That's not an offer to me. If you're around, baby. The curtains, and I'm putting up some brown ones, and the orangey brown ones are from 3 years ago, I think. You guys know I like to use tissue for spacers to make sure my curtains are spaced perfectly, and I'm just putting up some new curtains. And I think the brown ones are from last year. I absolutely love that one too. They're blackout curtains, so they're super nice. Think I'm trying to be perfect, I feel like it's worth it. I know now that I've been the worst, but I love you better. Let me be. Let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. I look crazy, but anyways, that is that. I'm finished with the bedroom makeover. I love the pillows that I got from Amazon. They're definitely worth the money. I actually thought they were too expensive and not worth it, but I got them and they're definitely worth it. The only thing I will say about those pillows is you can't buy them one by one. So if you need 3 pillows or 5 pillows, you have to buy sets of 2. I wish they would actually start selling one. I had to buy 4 pillows, 2 sets, and I only needed 3. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with the other one. I'm probably gonna put it in the living area. But all in all, I love the pillows, I love the pillow covers, I love my throw blanket. It looks great. So until then, I'll see you later. Deuces.